Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Guides. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Dogecoin from your Revolut account to Metamask in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how handy it is to move your assets around, and this step-by-step will make it a breeze. Whether you're building your portfolio or just experimenting, let's dive right in. First off, a quick heads up. Dogecoin runs on its own blockchain, not Ethereum's, so Metamask might need a little setup for this. But don't worry, I'll walk you through it. Before we start, ensure you have a Revolut account with Dogecoin in it and Metamask installed on your phone or browser. Also, double-check that your Metamask is updated to the latest version for 2025 compatibility. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and log in securely. Navigate to the Crypto tab, find Dogecoin in your portfolio, and select it. This is where the magic begins. Step 2. Tap on the Withdraw or Send option. You'll see a screen asking for the recipient's address. Hold tight while we get that from Metamask. Step 3. Switch over to your Metamask app or extension. If Dogecoin isn't showing up, you might need to add a custom network or use a bridged version like WDOGE on Ethereum. Once you're in, go to your wallet overview, copy the address for the network you're using, and make sure it's correct. Typos can cost you big time. Step 4. Head back to Revolut, paste the Metamask address into the withdrawal field, and enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to send. Don't forget to review any transaction fees. They can vary based on network congestion in 2025. Step 5. Hit confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll get a confirmation code or notification. Keep an eye on it. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the blockchain. Once it's complete, check your Metamask wallet to see your Dogecoin arrive. Awesome job! Remember, always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and verify addresses every time. That's it for today's guide. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.